The InterWeave eCommerce to Creatio Integration with the SmartIntegration Platform for CRM. InterWeave provides subscription-based solutions that are configured according to the customer's business process and workflow. We have been integrating e-commerce solutions since 2006. Let's preview an example of what you will be working with. This solution brings us to the InterWeave customer portal, which we have configured focusing on AR processing. Let's go into detail on 3 AR objects in eCommerce and Creatio. An eCommerce customer correlates to a Creatio account. An eCommerce sales order correlates to a Creatio opportunity. An eCommerce item correlates to a Creatio product. What's unique is that you may select integration direction at object level, unidirectional one way, unidirectional the other way, or bidirectional. An important note is you may select standard or custom objects to work with. When configuring the OMS customer to the Creatio account flow, you will review binding criteria, primary contacts, parent-child hierarchies, sync operations with accounts and customers, shipping and billing, custom mapping and more. The OMS sales order to the Creatio opportunity, or it can be OMS sales receipts if payment is applied after the product ships, is similar in sync operations but provides greatly expanded configuration detail with business process and workflow selections that are specific to you. You can enter default template for sales orders on line 26, select convert sales order to invoice on line 27, and there is custom mapping and more. The OMS item to Creatio product flow is where we match products in eCommerce to products in Creatio by selecting the chart of accounts, class, category, income and expense accounts. We then focus on the item types like inventory, non-inventory, service. We specialize in inventory and advanced inventory, with complete support for Creatio products. Next is the Creatio and eCommerce credentials, where you fill out the properties section defining the Creatio Integration user, the OMS administrator, and then the edition and location of your eCommerce URI. There are specific selections for the eCommerce edition, its location, multi-currency selection, error handling, and email notification. In our eCommerce shop, we have selected eCommerce Creatio, Creatio SmartSolutions configuration, Creatio SmartSolutions training and Smart Plus support. Proceeding to checkout, billing details are entered, the order is reviewed, credit card information entered, and the order is placed. The InterWeave eCommerce solution sources this information, and depending on if the customer is new, creates a new account in Creatio first, then products, then the opportunity. Or if established, either updates an existing opportunity or creates a new one. In the detail, you now see total transaction payments are $6,400. InterWeave explains the process of setting up integrations between eCommerce and Creatio, including a conversation about workflow with sales administrators and accounting personnel. InterWeave supports all editions of Creatio. Professional, Enterprise, Unlimited, Developer, depending on your preference, which can be discussed during an initial consultation session before starting any work together. We also discuss licensing for the internal eCommerce connector with read-write capabilities and the annual subscription fees that align with the Creatio edition. Finally, we address potential connectivity issues related to firewalls or VPNs and assure the audience that their cloud-based integration requires no software installation on users' machines. We ask our prospective customers to fill out the InterWeave survey so that a detailed quote can be provided. Additionally, we include the 8-step document which provides the steps for both InterWeave and the customer to create and implement their solution. We encourage technical questions and encourage any customer to share details via email for further discussion. If the customer needs to bring in additional people for a review, or to gain a basic understanding of how the platform and solutions work, meetings are easily scheduled. When engaged, solutions can be configured, tested and implemented typically between 10 to 15 business days, but our schedule is dictated by the customer's level of detail required and their schedule. So what's next? Contact your InterWeave sales representative and schedule a demo. When you decide to engage with InterWeave, you will be given a sign-on and password to our help site, help.interweave.biz. Let's start the process. We look forward to having you as a customer.